Good morning, friends. This is C.F.F. and thank you for watching. We're fixing a John Deere X320 today. We have an oil leak. I'm going to show you how to fix that, and what I determined was that it had a bad seal in the valve cover. Now this mower is only 6 years old, but we have put a lot of hours on it. I personally have done plenty of things that would void the warranty, but it's still running like a champ. Here's a picture of one of the things that would be frowned upon at the dealership. It didn't have a plow for it, but I made one and it worked until the board broke. But now we have a plow for the quad, so we don't need to make a silly board plow. I'll put a link up top. That's to me plowing with the quad, how much better that works than a chunk of wood. So the mower's valve cover seal was basically falling apart. Rather than getting a new one from town, I decided to make one with a gasket maker. The key to making a gasket with most of these products is that you have to put it into place and not smash it down. You need to let it firm up, otherwise all it's going to do is you might get a crack in your sealant. So you gotta let that firm up. It takes about an hour, and once it's firmed up, then you retighten everything down. Top off your oil, run it around, let it sit for a bit, and recheck your oil levels. But hey, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do that now so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. And that's it, you're done. It's 5 bolts, and it would have been easier if I'd have taken off the hood, but I could get to it without doing that, so why not just leave the hood on? That would have just caused more work, and it really wouldn't have saved me that much in headache, because it really wasn't that bad of a job. The hardest part was waiting for the sealant to set. Top off your oil, run it around, let it sit for a bit, and recheck your oil levels. Thank you so much for watching. May God bless you and your family, and we will see you next time.